Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder tabs in Google Sheets. Because let's be honest, tabs can get messy. And here's usually why. Why tabs get out of order. Every time you add a new sheet, it gets inserted to the right of the tab you currently have selected. So for example, if I click on 2024 Sales and then click the plus button to add a new sheet, that new sheet appears immediately to the right of 2024 Sales. It doesn't automatically organize itself, so if you're clicking around and adding sheets in different places, your tabs can quickly end up all over the place. Method 1. Click and drag. Here's the easiest way to reorder your tabs. Go to the tab name at the bottom. Click and hold it. Now drag it to where you want it. For example, if we want the order to be 2023 Sales, 2024 Sales, 2025 Sales, just click and drag the tabs into that order. Release the mouse. Done. Method 2. Use the drop-down menu. There's another way to move tabs. Click the small downward-facing arrow next to the sheet name. You'll see options like Move Right, Move Left. You can use these to shift your tab one position at a time. This is helpful if you want more precise movement without dragging. Quick recap. New sheets are added to the right of your selected tab. Click and drag to quickly reorder. Or use the drop-down arrow to move left or right. That's it. Clean tabs equals cleaner workflow. If you want more Google Sheets tips like this, subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next one.